Deputy President Kithure Kindiki observes UDA grassroots election in Tharaka Nithi. Deputy President Kithure Kindiki on Saturday, January 10, 2026, observed the United Democratic Alliance UDA grassroots election at Irunduni Primary School, part of a nationwide exercise to elect party officials at the polling center levels. The exercise designed to select 20 officials per polling center was conducted simultaneously across 20 counties, including Kakamega, Vihiga, Trans Nzoia, Elgeyo Marakwet, Uasin Gishu, Nandi, Kericho, Bomet, Baringo, Nakuru, Nyandarua, Samburu, Laikipia, Meru, Tharaka Nithi, Embu, Kirinyaga, Nyeri, Murang'a, and Kiambu. Kindiki praised the process, describing it as a clear demonstration of internal democracy within the party. EBK Online Updates News. Subscribe.